hope you're all well. I thought I'd do a little unboxing today. I've just had a delivery from a new brand called Ration L. I'm very excited to have a look inside. I absolutely love the packaging and the branding as well. I think it's really simple, minimal and clean. And the great thing about this brand is it is sustainable. The products in it are vegan. So let's open it. They've got the little logo on here as well, which is really sweet. And then inside it says, vegan friendly, made with non-toxic PU, made for your feet without harming animals. Oh, look at the paper as well. So look, inside we've got the recyclable paper with the Ration L branding on it, which is super cute. So here we are. This is very my style. It's very minimal, very clean. And you know what, the PU feels amazing. So this is vegan PU. I really love the design. I love the branding on the back as well. So even this little tab is Eco PU. So it comes with organic laces, as you can see there. And we've got the organic lining on the inside as well with the branding. The eyelets are also recycled aluminium as well. So literally everything about this shoe is sustainable. I absolutely love it. The great thing as well is that it is gender neutral, so you'll be able to get it in women's, men's sizes, so you can match your other half. Here's the pair. I absolutely love them. I think they're just stunning. And the fact they're vegan as well, I feel like this is the way everything's going. Everything's going sustainable, vegan. These will last you such a long time. I love the quality and love the message as well. So every pair of these that you buy, a percentage goes to the Brain and Spine charity, and as well they're